Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Binance P2P easily. First, understand that Binance P2P is a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users, using your preferred local currency and payment method. Binance acts as a secure third party, holding the crypto in escrow until the transaction is successfully completed. This ensures a safe and reliable trading environment for everyone involved. Before you can start trading, you need to complete your identity verification on Binance. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Next, navigate to the P2P section and add your preferred payment methods. You might choose a bank transfer, a mobile money service, or another local option. Always double-check that your payment details precisely match the name on your verified Binance account to avoid any issues. Now, let's find an offer. On the P2P trading page, you will see a list of advertisements from various sellers. You can filter these ads by the cryptocurrency you want to buy, the amount, and your chosen payment method. It is wise to select a seller with a high completion rate, ideally above 95%, and positive reviews. Once you find a suitable ad, enter the amount you wish to purchase and click Buy to start the trade. After initiating the trade, you will receive the seller's payment details. You must transfer the agreed amount to them using your chosen payment method within the specified time limit, usually 15 minutes. Once your payment is sent, click Transferred, Notify Seller on Binance P2P. The seller will then verify the receipt of funds and release the cryptocurrency, which will appear in your Binance wallet, typically within a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.